It seems that AYANEO never stops showing off its ability to make a new handheld console every few months, and recently, they just dropped the AYANEO 2S, which seems to have a similar level of performance as the most anticipated handheld of this year, the ROG Ally from Asus. But which one do you think performs the best? Let's find out.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
First of all, if we take a look at the AYANEO 2S, the biggest highlight of this console is the Ryzen 7 7840U APU powered by RDNA 3 technology. The generational improvement in this chip is significantly higher compared to its predecessor AYANEO 2's Ryzen 7 6800U APU, which could be the main reason to look forward to it. Not only that, it offers both 16 and 32GB variants just in case you wish to have this extra power, although it doesn't make too much of a difference. Another impressive thing about this console that is worth pointing out is the bezel-less 7-inch display. It's an IPS panel screen featuring 500 units of peak brightness and 1920 by 1200 resolution. So those who are tired of the large black borders around their already small screen will definitely be happy to see it. Transitioning to ROG Ally from Asus, this console is equipped with a custom-built Ryzen Z1 Extreme APU, which is specifically optimized for handheld consoles such as this. This is a pretty impressive processor and the performance level is truly amazing. It's capable of handling pretty much any AAA title with decent performance. But what truly made the ROG Ally outshine the most is the 7-inch 1080p display with a 120Hz variable refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness. Although this is not entirely bezel-less, but this is by far the most amazing display we have seen on a handheld. Its smooth response and colorful attention to detail will definitely please your eyes. So, the new AYANEO 2S is a $949 handheld console, whereas the ROG Ally from Asus is only $699. As we can see, the price gap between these two handhelds is almost $300. In the end, AYANEO 2S might have additional RAM support and a beautiful bezel-less screen, but when it comes to giving away the most value, ROG Ally is undoubtedly a fantastic deal. It costs less and you're also getting the spectacular 120Hz variable refresh rate on a compact gaming device like this. So it would take a lot for AYANEO 2S to beat the ROG Ally when it comes to proper value and user experience. So that was all about the comparison between the AYANEO 2S and ROG Ally. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.